Are you looking for the best mini computers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best mini computers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Beelink SER5 Mini PC with AMD Ryzen 7 5800H. The Beelink SER5 Mini PC offers a powerful AMD Ryzen 7 5800H, up to 4.4 GHz, processor that delivers seamless multitasking and no delay switching at work. It comes with W11 without bloatware, driven by the AMD 7nm processor and 32GB DDR4 memory, can upgrade to 64GB, 2x32GB, 500GB NVMe SSD, and 3 screens by 2 HDMI ports and 1 Type-C port. The mini desktop PC is also equipped with Gigabit Ethernet LAN, dual-band 2.4G 5G Wi-Fi, and built-in Bluetooth, offering high-speed wireless connection. What we like: powerful AMD Ryzen 7 5800H processor, 32GB DDR4 memory, 500GB NVMe SSD. Connects up to 3 screens by 2 HDMI ports and 1 Type-C port. Number 2. GMKtec M2 Pro Mini PC. The GMKtec Mini PC is powered by an 11th generation Intel Core i7-1195 G7 processor, providing speeds up to 5.0 GHz. This means you can handle daily tasks efficiently without worrying about power consumption. With 32GB of DDR4 RAM and a 1TB SSD, you have plenty of memory and storage for your applications and files, plus the option to expand. The device supports stunning 4K graphics across 3 displays, making it ideal for multitasking and high-demand applications. Additionally, with advanced Wi-Fi 6 and 2.5 gigabits per second LAN capabilities, you can enjoy faster, more stable internet connections for seamless browsing and streaming. What we like: high-speed Intel processor, large memory and storage, 4K multi-display support, fast internet connectivity. Number 3. GMKtec Nucbox G3 Mini PC. The GMKtec Nucbox G3 is a compact mini PC designed to enhance your computing experience. Powered by the 12th Gen Intel N100 processor, it delivers impressive performance for everyday tasks, office work, and entertainment. With 16GB of DDR4 RAM and a speedy 1TB PCIe NVMe SSD, this mini computer boots quickly and allows you to run multiple applications without lag. Its dual HDMI ports support 4K displays, letting you multitask or enjoy high-quality video playback on 2 screens. Additionally, with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, you can connect various devices seamlessly for a more efficient workspace. What we like: fast performance, quick boot times, 4K dual display support, seamless wireless connections. Number 4. GMKtec M5 Gaming Mini PC. GMKtec M5 Mini PC, powered by AMD Ryzen 7 5700U processor, excels in productivity, office work, and gaming. With 32GB DDR4 RAM and 1TB PCIe SSD, it offers smooth multitasking and storage. The dual LAN 2.5G RJ45 ensures fast network speeds for seamless online experiences. Its AMD Radeon Graphics 8-core 1900MHz GPU supports 4K triple-screen display, perfect for design work and mid-range gaming. The fast Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity enhance wireless device pairing convenience. What we like: powerful AMD Ryzen 7 5700U processor, 32GB DDR4 RAM plus 1TB PCIe SSD. Dual LAN 2.5G RJ45 Number 5. Beelink Mini S12 Pro. Introducing the Beelink Mini S12 Pro, a powerful mini PC that comes with the latest 12th Gen Intel Alder Lake N100 processor and Intel UHD graphics. With its 16GB DDR4 RAM and 500GB M.2 SSD, This mini PC offers fast multitasking and ample storage space. The Mini S12 Pro supports Wi-Fi 6 for ultra-fast wireless connections and Bluetooth 5.2 for effortless pairing with peripherals. It also features dual HDMI ports for 4K at 60Hz dual-screen display and multiple USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports for seamless data transfer. With its compact size and Visa mount, the Beelink Mini S12 Pro is perfect for remote office travel. What we like: powerful performance, fast multitasking, ultra-fast wireless connections,